Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you the best dropshipping apps for Shopify for beginner step by step. So let's start the video and I will tell you the best three in the Shopify that are available. So first let's go with CJ Dropshipper. CJ Dropshipper is the best that I recommend you. So I search here as CJ. In my Shopify it's installed. You can install and connect your account with that. It is best in Shopify. I am telling you is the best. It CJ is actually a seller or a dropshipper on Alibaba Express, and he is also a individual dropshipper in this Shopify and his another level. So let me explain you how it works. First, you have to connect your account, your Shopify account, with CJ Dropshipper and sign up your account. Then you have to choose a product that you want to sell. So I am choosing a trending product. Let us choose. At the back, I was seeing a water type of product. This project, this product look nice. It's a Dext water dispenser, as you can see. Here the videos are also available. As you can see videos, you can put the videos on your site to list. It's simple. Click on the list button. Normally you can untick all. Just check one that you want. I am adding this. This is total after drop shipping. It will cost you like $17. So let us sell for $25, and we have to select all things. We have like do a list now. You can go on listings. As we can say, it is so easy. Our product is listed. When you will do manually, it is very hard to do. You have to select the product item, you have to write the description, all things. You can use dropshipper direct from CJ. It is very good. It is listed successfully. Let's check in our product section. As we can see, it is added successfully. It is saying like 13,000 in stock. So we can see. Let me tell you second app. Second app is Alibaba Express. Alibaba Express is best. Alibaba is listed in this as a descaler or like this only. Let's search AliExpress. So we can search this keyword on Shopify store. Actually I have this desare. This is Alibaba dropshipping. It is very good. Let me open this and see you. Here are the products. The best part of it is a supplier optimizer. Oh, let me explain you what is supplier optimizer. You can just search the products by using URL of Alibaba. You can open AliExpress site in another tab and we can directly search. If you want to search, click just search. Here we can see the products that are in really cheap rate. Let us see a good product that will sell. Let us choose this. For example, we can choose this. This is a wireless high pressure electric jet wash. It is a car washer tool. We can just select it. We can just copy this link. Simply we can go here, we can just paste it and search. Simply we can do search, uploading picture, analyzing pictures, searching products. These are the products. It have 0 ratings to all. This is one you can sell, you can buy. It's here, but This one has 40 number of sales is this. You can just import. You can go to import list and check. As you can see, it is imported. You can just push to Shopify. You can add. Continue selling when out of stock. No, you can just push to set it Shopify. Do next. It is pushed. Like, you can just check. You can just refresh this page. As we can see, our product is now added. You can see this. You can view to our preview. So let us move to the third one. Third one is S-Pocket. S-Pocket is very good. It's a dropshipping app that dropship to US and Europe only. If you want to dropship in Europe and US, this is the best. As you can see, the rating is also good, 4.7. You can add this app also. This is the best. It can be the fastest shipping app for your US and Europe clients or your customers. You can just wait here. It's loading. I personally use AliExpress. It's very good. You can just go here, do next. Here are the products. As you can see, here we can add. Here you can see like earn 30 credit point. It's saying you can add. We can import a product. Let's import a product from this site. So to import a product, you have to select a product that you want to import. Let us select this natural scrub that cost about like a $10. Here you can like listing price $10. You can sell up to $20, but it comes with a fee. You have to pay free. If you will select a plan, you will get a 2-week free trial. You can cancel it and do it from another account. If you want to try it, it's best if you want a fastest drop shipping in your site. So that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.